Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how we can install YouTube as an app on Windows 11 or Windows 10 so that we can use YouTube as an app or software without opening a browser. So first, go to your YouTube in Google Chrome, and here click on this button that says install YouTube. Click on this and it will ask you, do you want to install? Just click on install, and as you can see, now YouTube has opened as its own window. Now you can close this and close your browser too. Press your Windows key, and if you type YouTube here, as you can see, YouTube app will be shown and YouTube icon will be added here in your desktop. Now you can just react with this like an app and right click on this and click on pin to taskbar, and it will be added here. Now you can just click on this button to open YouTube, and here as you can see, YouTube is opening up as an app. So this is how you can install YouTube as an app. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And if you want to uninstall this, just uninstall it like any other app. Search for YouTube in your start menu and right click on this and click on uninstall, and you'll be taken to your installed apps. Here, scroll down and search for YouTube, and then just click on uninstall. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.